All right, welcome back to the channel. It's Model Rockets 321. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll bring you all kind of model rocket stuff. Today, we are going to be doing an unboxing. This just came from Estes. This is another product they are sending to me. I did not order it, so shout out to Estes. Thank you. Appreciate it very much. Also, guys, if you are new to rocketry, or if you have never ordered anything from estesrockets.com, use my discount code. Put in IN_321 at checkout on the Estes website and get yourself a nice discount. And I did find out, guys, I'm not sure if I said this in another video, but it is done as far as any if you have used the code, it probably won't work for you again. So sorry about that. Hopefully it changes. I'm gonna keep trying to work on getting that changed so everyone can use it many times. I mean, I don't understand why they would cut it off. It was doing very good, so hopefully we can get that going for you guys also. But if you're a newcomer, you're new to rocketry, and you're seeing this video for the first time, get yourself involved. You can get a discount using my discount code IN_321. But today, this big box came right here. This is from Estes. It's an unboxing. Plus, there's another unboxing after this, so stay tuned. I'm gonna unbox this, and I'm gonna unbox something very epic. This should be epic too. So let's check this out. Let's get this going. All right, got the trusty knife. Go there. I'm gonna go here. Cross. All right, let's see what we have. What do we have? All right, guys, so here we go. In this box, look at that right there. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but this is the Great Goblin. This is the Estes brand new Goblin. I'm not even sure if these are out yet. I'm not sure if this is out yet, but it's here at Model Rockets 321 right now. This is the Great Goblin, guys. The Pro Series Goblin. An impressive upscale of an Estes Classic. Flies 880 feet. E16-4 motors only. Check that out. Love the Goblin. Great rocket. See, it has a nice nylon parachute. Launch again and again. Very cool. Very cool. It's an intermediate build. Skill level, ages 18, skill level is intermediate. Quantity 1. This is the rocket only. It is 33 inches tall, 3-inch diameter with parachute recovery. Yeah, so this is pretty cool right here. This is pretty cool. These are not out yet. I'm pretty sure this is a low number. When was this manufactured? They stamped this on August 2nd. I can't tell. That 2023, of course. Yeah, August 2nd, 2023. So very, not too long ago. Not too long ago. So they had these all ready to go. Part of their new release. So this is pretty cool. Thanks, Estes. Appreciate receiving this. And I will be building this one. This is a nice one. Kind of remind me of the Red Max, fin-wise and design-wise. Almost like a Red Max, pretty much, but it's its own thing. So we're going to get this built. Once I get it built, I'll be able to compare. They both have a 3-inch diameter. They look like the similar cone. And the fins look similar, but they may be slightly different from the Red Max. I'm looking at my Red Max. That's why the volume probably went down a little. But yeah, so there we go, guys. The Great Goblin, they call it. Pro Series by Estes. Look at that. Very cool. So now let's get to this other box.
Attention Rocketeers, for the very first time, you can get your hands on an exclusive set of Model Rocket trading cards by Model Rockets 321. These cards have been carefully created and represent a groundbreaking first in the world of rocketry with their glossy UV-coated finish. These collectibles are a must-have for anyone passionate about space and rocketry. This 12-card set includes detailed descriptions on the back of each card, plus 3 limited edition cards that will be vaulted after this release. Don't miss out. Secure your set right now by clicking the link in the bio.
All right, so here we go. To the next box. I already opened it because I had to redo the video, so it has already been opened, but I want to show you guys. This is an amazing package right here. Shout out to Tom Krzyk. He sent me this letter along with this box right here. It says, "Hi, Model Rockets 321. Love your videos. They remind me of when I was a kid in the 70s, launching rockets with my older brother and his friends. Please accept these rockets as I have several of each. The Cherokees are my favorite looking rocket. I love the fin shape and the decal art. The maple seed rocket is fun to build and fly. Please keep making videos. I enjoy them so much, especially the debrief part of the video. Thank you, Tom Krzuk. All right, so now we're going to get into this, guys. I'm going to pull these rockets out one by one and show you, and I'm going to try to figure this out because it's a lot of stuff in here, and this is great. Tom, thank you. I appreciate this so much. You're a great person, man. This is pretty cool, and I do appreciate it. So we're going to get through this right now. First, I already went through this, like I said. I'm just going to remove this bubble wrap. You can kind of see what's on the top already. I'm going to move some of this bubble wrap out of the way. We're going to go through these right here first. Engines. Engines galore. Check this out. E12-6. Another pack of E12-6. Stack these right here. Some C65s. Here's a C63. A10-3T. Another C65. So as you can see, we're getting a bunch of engines just to start this off with. A3-4T, half A3-4T, C63, D12-3, another D12-3. So plenty of engines. There's no reason I should not be launching. So another E12-4, which I do love E12-4 moves. They're pretty nice. They got their long burn. They're pretty cool. E12-4. Keep moving on. And here we have a pack of wadding. What else we got going? So it's shrink wrap. More engines. C63 and the C63. It's an older style, older packet. C63, pretty cool. So more C63s. All right, so we're gonna start with what's not in this box right here. So right here we have this rocket called the Cyclone by Auto Rockets, Above and Beyond. You have the Cyclone right here. Flies on the small guys, flies on the 13mm engines. Cyclone. Not even sure if I've ever seen one of these before. Balsa nose cone, balsa fins, everything like that. Got your centering rings, little tiny little motor mount, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. So there we have the Cyclone. Next up, let's start with this guy. And here we have the Protostar, one of Estes newer school rockets. Pretty cool, though. I like the design, got that retro feel to it. Kind of remind me of the Silver Comet. I think I have one of these in the stash somewhere. It's a skill level 3 rocket. Kind of a big body. I like that big cone too. Pretty cool. They have these little pods on the fins. Those are always unique. That's pretty cool right there. So there we have a Protostar. Protostar. Next up, we have a Shooter 2. Part of the Classic Series. This is an old school Estes rocket, which they brought back. Part of the Classic Series. 12-inch parachute. Flies up to 900 feet. Like C engines and stuff like that. So, yep, C65A, B's, and C engines. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Next up, he mentioned the Maple Seed, and here that is right here. It's a Simrock kit called the Maple Seed. I believe the fins kind of detach, and it does a little whirly down to the ground. So you have the Maple Seed. Maple Seed. KA35. Was this a Estes old kit? Designed by Chris Beck. I'm not sure this is old. Is it a reproduction? Maybe not. I never knew of the Maple Seed. It's another one I never knew about. But you can see fins have some unique stuff going on where they'll detach themselves and come on back down to ground, you know, swirling like a parrot, like a helicopter kind of. But yeah, so we have the Maple Seed. Next up, here we go. We got the Bluebird Zero, the Simrock reproduction version, designed by Mike Dorfler. That name right there, famous guy, pretty nice designer, man. He did a good job. He created this, and he made many others too. And he did the Astron Omega, and he may have done the Red Max, but I'm not sure. I'm thinking he did the Red Max also. For some reason, this got that Red Max kind of feel to it. So here we have a Bluebird Zero. These are pretty popular out there. These are pretty popular. Balsa nose cone version. Yeah, these are pretty popular. How tall is this one? It's 41 inches tall. Yeah, Bluebird Zero is, and it's depowered. Depowered. It says with a convertible engine mount. Okay, so I guess the engine mount you can swap out and fly something different. Yep, you can fly 18 millimeters and you can fly 24 millimeters. So you got the Bluebird Zero. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool package, man. Pretty cool. Not expecting this to show up in the P.O. box. So here we have some tiny guys. This is the Bitty Bertha. And we have the feathered flyer. See, some tiny, tiny ones. Fly on Micromax motors. Fly on Micromaxes. Or 13 millimeter. Let me see. 13. Yep, 13. And yep, 13 millimeter stuff. So there we go. Some little tiny guys. Yep, so that's cool. That is pretty cool right there. All right, that part of the box is empty. Now there's a box inside this box with more rockets. So we're going to get going. Here we go, the Cherokee D. As Tom stated, this is his favorite rocket. He said he loved the fin design. I actually have a Cherokee G or something. I have a big version of this. This needs some work. It's all beat up. I had inherited that from somebody. It's actually given to me. It's all beat up. I need to get it fixed up and fly one. So the Cherokee D is a 1969 kit when it first came out, but these are the Simrock retro reproductions. That Simrock really did a good job some years ago, man. They were making some good stuff. So here we have the Cherokee D. Nice rocket. It's a pretty nice rocket. I need to probably try to get one of these built one day. I have so much on the build pile now. I got to finish the So Long, which it's all done. I just got to finish the paint. So here we have the Cherokee E and a bigger version, another one. Pretty nice. I like how they did the NASA stuff here. That'd be cool to have some NASA meatballs. This should have some meatballs and all the fins. That would have been nice. That's pretty nice. But yeah, flies up to 1,600 feet on an E12. Nice, the Cherokee E. Yeah, nice rocket. Nice rocket. Thanks again, Tom, man. This is super duper, man. I appreciate it. Here we have the High Flyer. High Flyer XL, actually. High Flyer XL, what that say? Ryder's Hobby Shop. Ryder's Hobby Shop, okay, because there's a hobby shop in Tom's town. So here we have the High Flyer. Yep, for sure. Nice body tubes. Nice. So here we have a High Flyer XL. 1,325 feet on an E12. Yeah, this is a pretty nice performance. These are some High Flyers. These are good rockets. Good rockets. Next up, coming down to the wire. Wow, the Star Orbiter Pro Series Star Orbiter. You know, you get those tough tubes with these Pro Series rockets. Nice. So here we have the Star Orbiter, part of the Pro Series, 1,800 feet. Yeah, Tom like altitude. Tom like to get them way up there. E16 6 motor. 45-inch tall rocket, Star Orbiter, pretty nice. Nice. Next up, what do we have here? Oh yeah, okay, we got the Mean Machine. Classic Mean Machine. I remember this is one of the first rockets I ever seen fly. The guy that got me into it, he had the Mean Machine, all black version from the 80s. We were kids, it was taller than both of us. We went out and flew it with his dad, and that's kind of what got me started in the hobby. So here you have the Mean Machine. I do like how you can detach. I'm going to look into how they do that because I want to probably use this for some of the longer rockets, a way to store it. Instead of it being a tall 6-foot rocket standing around, you can detach it some kind of way. There's something in here that they're using. I can't see it, but it's something they're using to make it so you can do that. So you can shorten these rockets a little bit. But yeah, so there we have the Mean Machine. This is a newer color, newer version. I like it all black. Or even like a dark blue would be nice too, like a dark navy blue Mean Machine. That would be nice too. I like the vintage one though. I guess that's kind of cool though. I like the vintage look. So there we have the Mean Machine. There we have the Mean Machine. Nice. Flies on that D12. Oh, E12. You even upgraded the motors. It used to be the D12.5, but now it goes to the E12.6. Yeah, 6 second delay. Nice. Mean Machine. And that is it, folks. Tom, thanks again for this, man. This is a super package. I did not expect, when I saw with the shipping cost and you let me know that there was probably a package there, I was slacking on getting to the P.O. box. Totally my fault. I had to get over there once you mentioned it, and there was something else in there, so I had to go there anyway, so it all worked out. But I'm going to count these. I wonder how many rockets this is total, so we're going to count backwards. So we're going to go 1. Not backwards, we're going to go count forward, just putting them all back in the box. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 rockets. That is pretty much a collection. I mean, like, wow. I may have had 12 as a kid on the shelf at one point, and then, you know, you get more from there, but that's all in one shot. So that's 12. And then how many engines? Let's count these packs of engines. So we got 1. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 packs of engines, and 1 pack of wadding. Wow, that is super. That's a lot of, this is a lot of stuff. I mean, just, Tom, like I said, man, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching the channel. And thank you for your support, man. This is a huge, huge deal. And I want to run a giveaway. I want to definitely get some of this stuff out to you guys. I'm going to run some kind of giveaway. And I'll see what we can do. But yeah, Tom, appreciate you. This is Model Rockets 321, guys. Be sure to hit the like button, that thumb up button, drop a comment, share the video. If you're getting into the hobby, use the Estes discount. Visit my website. I have some products. I have the trading cards. Guys, be sure to lock in set number 1 through 12 set of Model Rocket trading cards. Very nicely produced. I'm super proud of those. I have Kevlar over there. As you know, I replaced the rubber shot cord material that comes in most of these. I replaced it with Kevlar. There's rubber there. I replaced it because it gets dry rotted, it snaps, it breaks. I replace it. That's just my thing. You can use part rubber and part Kevlar, but I'm usually, you know, that's got to get Kevlar in there so it don't dry rot, get burned, get charged. It's going to snap on you at some point. But it's my thing. So check the website, check all the links below. And we are out of here. It's Model Rockets 321.